All right. Hi, everybody, and welcome to Mask Making with your mask fashionista, Alice. So Alice is here to show you how to do a little bit more advanced mask making with a special nose clip that will make it more formed to your face. All right. So the first thing is the supplies that you'll need to do this. So first you'll need a bandana. So Alice has this nice SEIU bandana here. You'll also need a coffee filter, and then what you'll do with the coffee filter is you'll just take a pair of scissors and you'll cut right along the edge there, as you can see, yep, just like like that, and then you'll end up with a coffee filter that has a little cut on the end. You'll also need some tape, as well as a one of these I guess they're little clips kind of used. A lot of times you'll see those at the top of a coffee bag, something like that. You can cut that off, usually just waste from packaging, but you can see they're pretty flexible. Yeah, exactly. They hold their shape, so that's what you'll be using for the nose. And then you'll also need a way to hold this mask around your ears. So you can either use a rubber band, usually around a 2 3/4 to 3 inch rubber band with the right amount of elasticity. You want something a little bit bigger than those smaller rubber bands there. If you have a little bit nicer, if you have them, you can also use these hair ties. And you'll want one that's probably a little bit thinner and longer. We tend to find those are the most comfortable. But if you have the smaller ones, you can also adjust your face mask to accommodate that. All right, so let's get started. So first you'll take your bandana and you'll lay it out flat. And then the first thing you'll do is you'll fold it in half, and you'll see this in a lot of these bandana mask tutorials is the half fold, okay? And then the next step is to take your half coffee filter that you've snipped the edge off of. Just like that, yep. You'll take it and cut it like that, and then you'll end up with this half one. We're not wasting here, so we won't cut another one. And then, so you'll lay that kind of right in the middle there, lengthwise with your bandana. Okay, and then in order to make this a little bit more secure, we're gonna tape our coffee filter inside the bandana. This will kind of hold it in place, and I think just makes it a little bit more secure. All right, and then the next step is you'll take your adjustable nose clip thing here, and you'll set it right on top of your coffee filter. And so that's gonna be right over your nose when we're finished with this bandana. And then you're gonna tape it into the bandana. And I think taping this part is the most important, because that really won't stay there unless that's taped. Perfect, just like that. All right, and once you have that secure, the next step is to do another set of folds. So as you can see, we're folding it here. We fold it about 2/3 up on the bottom, and then on the top we fold down, and we leave that bread part there, we fold over just so the adjustable part is just below it. All right, so perfect. And then you'll take your rubber band or hair tie, and you'll kind of push the bandana through that on both sides. Okay. And then finally, we'll do another set of folds. So we'll fold the inside of the bandana towards the middle. Perfect. And then you want to just align those perfectly, and that'll give you an extra layer of filter protection on the bandana. All right. And then finally, the last step is to put on your face. So we'll take the bandana and we'll put it just over our face like this. And then you can use this nose clip thing here to adjust it, to fit it right along your nose.
And tuck the fabric down.
Yep, and you can tuck the fabric down if you need to. Perfect. And that's your beautiful advanced bandana. Thanks for watching.